Have you ever stood up and your legs didn't feel fully there? Not pain, not injury, just weakness, or that strange tingling sensation. If you're over 60, this is not random. And the good news? In many cases, it's reversible. Stay with me, because the final habit I'll share can wake up your nerve signals faster than most exercises. Here's what's really happening. After 60, two systems begin to slow down. Your muscles and your nerve signals. Muscles shrink if they're not challenged. And nerves? They weaken when they stop receiving stimulation. The result? Your legs feel disconnected, slower, less responsive, but movement can reactivate both. And that's exactly what we're about to do. Exercise 1, fast-paced. This wakes up your hip stabilizers. Lie on your side. Lift your top leg slowly. Hold for 2 seconds. Lower with control. 8 to 10 reps each side. This improves balance and strengthens the muscles that protect you from falls. Slow. Controlled. No swinging. Exercise 2, standing heel raises. Stand behind a chair. Lift your heels slowly. Hold. Lower even slower. This activates your calf muscles, which act like a pump to improve circulation and nerve flow. Do 10 reps. Focus on control. Better blood flow means better nerve communication. Exercise 3, slow knee bends. Hold a chair. Bend one knee, bringing your heel toward your glutes. Lift for 3 seconds. Lower for 5. This retrains coordination. It tells your brain, here is where your leg is in space. That awareness reduces instability. Exercise 4, seated leg extensions. Sit tall. Extend one leg straight. Hold for 3 seconds. Lower slowly. You may feel mild tingling. That's often nerve activation. If there's sharp pain, reduce the range. 6 to 8 reps each side. Exercise 5, wall calf stretch with toe flex. Step 1 foot back. Heel down. Now gently lift your toes toward your shin. You'll feel a stretch from heel to thigh. Hold 20 seconds. This combines stretch, blood flow, and nerve mobilization in one movement. Now here's the part most people skip. Walk barefoot at home. Carpet, tile, grass if safe. Your feet contain thousands of nerve endings. Every step barefoot sends signals back to your brain. More signals mean stronger pathways. Just 10 minutes a day. It sounds simple, but neurologically, it's powerful. Weak or numb legs are not always permanent. Often, they are understimulated. Your body is adaptable, even after 60. Start small. Move consistently. Stimulate your nerves daily. And remember, aging doesn't switch off your strength. Inactivity does.